Okay, Hirosan,
Yes.
after all that salmon that we got, this is approximately 2 months later. We got this in just about middle of August. Right now it's pretty much middle of October. And we're going to thaw this out here. You're going to do some sashimi with it. And also make some really nice dishes, right? Okay, so what's a proper way of defrosting this salmon?
I keep in refrigerator and then slowly to defrost.
Okay, so that's, your fridge is pretty cold. It's going to take about 2 days or so, right?
It's gonna be take 2 days.
Yeah, about. All right, looking forward to it, Hiro. Be back. Okay, Hiro-san, now we have the salmon. It's been thawed out already.
Yes.
Beautiful Bakkafrost salmon. Again, if you guys are looking for wonderful salmon in the U.S., go to bakkafrostshop.com, enter Bakkafrost for 20% off. That's till the end of the year. And you guys can enjoy this sushi-grade salmon at your home, which is going to be great because, Hiro, the recipe you're making today is going to be teriyaki, right?
Yes, very
Salmon
easy one.
Right. And because this is actually sushi-grade salmon, you can actually undercook a little bit. I like my salmon probably rare to medium rare.
Yeah, I'm gonna do.
You're gonna do that, right?
As
I said, okay.
As your favorite.
Okay.
The way I'm not gonna cook all the way.
Yeah. And you guys have to try it. You guys will never have a better piece of salmon ever. Let's go through the other ingredients, Hiro.
Yes, of course. Today's main ingredient is here the salmon and teriyaki sauce. This is I made it in the video. This is the original one.
Okay.
And sesame seeds and a slice of the cabbage, a bowl of the rice and kalware.
Okay.
And then cornstarch. I'm going to use cornstarch.
Okay.
So.
And then here you have a little bit just.
Yes, I have avocado oil and the salt and pepper.
Okay.
Very simple today.
So most of you have all these ingredients at home. Definitely try and put this together. You guys will be amazed.
Okay, so first one, I'm gonna put the salmon on the paper and take out a little bit water out, making dry a little bit.
And this salmon has a skin on it, which is really good. Salmon skin, done kind of crunchy, is really amazing.
Salt and pepper. Both sides. In this time, if you want to put the garlic powder, go ahead. It's good too. Garlic powder is good too. Then after, I'm gonna coating cornstarch all around.
No wonder my salmon at home didn't turn out the way you make it. I forgot this step. I tried to do something like this at home. It didn't come out the same way. Yeah, with the coating.
So last time I made the chicken teriyaki long time ago.
Yeah.
A while ago. So I also
That's
used
the key, cornstarch.
cornstarch, making the, especially for the skin side, very crunchy.
Right.
So I'm gonna use the same technique for salmon. Okay. Put the oil.
So this is medium heat, right?
Medium heat, not too high. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start to cook sideways.
Oh, like tataki style.
Yeah. I'm gonna cook side first. Okay, now finally I'm gonna start to cook the skin side. Okay, right now I'm gonna taking out the oil out here. Okay, and then now I'm gonna add sauce.
So this is all like low heat.
Yeah, low heat, very low heat.
Okay.
Even now you can cut the heat right now.
Okay, cut the heat now at this point. Okay, this teriyaki sauce, if you can't make it at home, just go to your local supermarket and just buy something that you don't like. just try it.
A little bit away from heat. Okay, now set up on the plate. Maybe a little garnish. Bowl of the rice. The sesame seeds. A little bit of this rice too. And then a little bit kalware. Okay.
So fancy, Hiro.
Fancy?
We try to make it
easy,
basic.
easy.
and
Family style. This one. Family cooking.
looks so fancy. You made a simple dish look so fancy by just adding a few key ingredients. If you guys want this beautiful salmon, go to bakkafrostshop.com. Enter Bakkafrost for 20% off. U.S. residents only. You guys can really enjoy the salmon that's sushi grade, and you're gonna love it. Hiro, thank you so much. And if you at home like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Hiro-san, to the tasting part. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, enjoy.
Okay. Let me go in here. Oh. Yeah, it's all the way through. Salmon's good.
Salmon's good, huh?
Salmon sauce is good.
I'm gonna go. Can you get a knife here? Can you cut it?
Yeah, it's not really.
Yeah, let me just cut it easier.
Not like a layer. This one.
Take a look. Right away, you can see it looks pretty moist inside there.
It's good, right?
Wow.
You should eat this one. Salmon skin.
Go ahead, eat it.
No, go.
Let me tell you, the salmon's cooked all the way through, but it is super moist. Super, super moist. Can you guys see that in there? Look how moist that is. Delicious. The sauce is excellent too. I love your teriyaki sauce, Hiro. Very, very good.
Not dry, right?
The problem when you go out and eat salmon, a lot of restaurants they overcook it because they feel like it's undercooked and it's going to be unhealthy or dangerous for customers. I would think I prefer mine a little bit undercooked, but still extremely moist. You guys can probably see that in there. It's excellent. Well, one thing I forgot, Hiro, look at this. We forgot about this, the white rice. With the salmon.
This one's good too. Especially this one with come with the tonkatsu.
Yeah, this is good. I hope you guys get to try this at home. Honestly, if you like salmon, but you never liked how the texture was at when you eat it outside in other restaurants, try it this way. Make it at home. You never want to order it again when you go outside.
This dish, if you want to make it a little bit more pretty, You can put a steamed carrot or something in the side. More nice color combination. Yeah. So, okay, so I'm gonna go this one.
Nice. Wrap it up with some rice. Come on. Yes. You can thank me later, Hiro.
Like that?
You're welcome. Good, right? The skin is the best. Some of the best parts.
Crunchy.
Ah, with the teriyaki sauce. Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you guys soon.